What's up, guys? It's Johnny. Roll with me, guys. We're at the junkyard, and I just wanted to show you guys what a junkyard looks like. It's just a bunch of cars, man. Hundreds and hundreds of cars just mixed in rows. Supposedly they're organized, but it's still a mission to find the car that you want. Once you find the car you want, you got to look and hope that it has the part that you're looking for and then remove it. Anyways, I'm here for an 04 or 05 Honda Civic Coupe because I want the taillights for my 02 Honda Civic Coupe. All right, guys. All right, check it out. Look, we got two Hondas right here. All right, this is a sedan. I'm not doing anything on that today. Today we're talking about this Honda Civic Coupe. This here is an 01, 02, or 03. I can tell by the taillights. That's what I have at home, but I want the 04, 05. And there they are, guys. Check that out. All right, both of them. Is it two? Yeah. All right, guys. So we're going to remove these taillights, take them home, and put them on our 02 Civic. Super easy, guys. They're just being held down by 4 bolts, and then the light bulbs that are in there, you would just have to remove them or unplug the socket. These here have 3 light bulbs, guys. Same thing over here. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts, and I believe they were 8mm bolts. So just go ahead and remove them and unplug the sockets for the light bulbs. If they're not plugged in, then just do the bolts. There is a conversion that you have to do in order to make them fit on that other car, and I have a video on that, so check that out. Right here, guys, I already went ahead and removed the 4 bolts, and all you got to do now is just grab the light and pull it out. That's it. So like I was saying, guys, I have another video where I put these on the 2002 Honda Civic. It looks sick. You guys check that out, man. I appreciate you guys looking at my videos. Always, guys, always have a good day. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.